¿Qué onda, locos?
Alright, so today one of these broke in my car. It broke like literally right here on the line. So it's just this piece right here is stuck in there. So I couldn't get it out. I went to the store, tried to find something to buy or anything like that. I couldn't find anything to like get this out. Well, the other part is literally right there. The back. Well, one of them broke over here. I already fixed it, and then there's another one in the back that I just noticed. What I made is I made this tool. I don't know if you guys. There you go. It's pretty sharp over here. Super sharp. And I just use my a drill. Pretty close to where you want. Yo. Like this, and I just go at it until like it comes off, until like, let me show you real quick. Almost fit. Alright, so let me show you real quick. You guys can see it's really sunny outside, so I don't know if you can see it. This is like halfway on. So what I did was that's what I did on the other one. And I'm using this, so this is a lot faster. But yeah, just go ahead and make yourself one of these. Hopefully, I try to use one of the what do they call? The hole saw, I guess they call it, to make the holes on doors, but it didn't work. It broke. You know what I mean? This right here. But it didn't work. So I just went and go ahead and made one of these. It was really hard to make though. It's actually not that hard, but it's just use these to make it. You gotta buy an extra one though. Alright, so hopefully this helps you. If it does, then go ahead and like the video. And if it doesn't help you, then alright, whatever. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.